Guys, and welcome to this episode of tutorial on Enema Pro channel again. Today we'll be doing something different. Okay, what to do today is how to use your computer on the day of your Jamb examination. How to go about the whole thing, what your laptop, what your computer, what your Jamb app or software, what they will look like. So this video will highlight the basic steps which we take. I will use my laptop to demonstrate for you, as I have a similar layout or interface of what the Jamb CBT software looks like, or Jamb CBT application, anyhow you want to call it, looks like. So this will give you a clue on what to do or what you are going to face on the day of your examination. Before we get right to that, I want to actually tell you that I have a group which I created for aspirants for Jambite, sorry, this year, which is 2025, and I'm actually taking them tutorials both on how to pass their Jamb with flying colors, and I'm not actually the only one doing it. I have capable ends which I've added to the group, and I also have a channel, a WhatsApp channel. I don't know how you guys call it. Yes, I think it's a WhatsApp channel which I have. I will also drop the link in the description. So I'll drop the links to the channel and the links to the group. So you will join the two. You just follow the channel, then you will join the group so that you will not miss out on anything. There are some VIP tips and everything which I'll be giving on that channel, and everything is absolutely for free. And mind you, I want to also give you one warning. There are a lot of people that will come in the name of Jamb runs. There is nothing like Jamb runs. Just for you to know the basic things and what you are expected to do, then you come out with flying colors. So I have that channel for you, and I have that WhatsApp group for you. Don't join one and leave one, join the two. I will drop the link in the description. Then I'll also drop my WhatsApp number here, just in case you cannot get the link. You message me, tell me you want to join the channel and the group, and I will forward the links for you. Now let's get to it. Before we go to my laptop screen, I want to tell you that the major things that can take you down is fear. It's when you are afraid. You understand? When you want to go with a positive spirit. If you want to go and write your Jamb, just go with a positive spirit. And at the time I'm making this video, you still have time to study. You still have time to study, and that is why you should join that my group. I have uh, a laid down lesson on like following the Jamb syllabus. I don't know if you've seen the Jamb syllabus. If you also need it, you can message me on the number showing on your screen, and I'll actually send you a copy of the Jamb syllabus. And I have past questions also compiled from the previous Jamb examination. So all this I will drop on that group and that channel. That is why you need to join. So now let's talk about going with a positive spirit. When you study, you don't need to be afraid. Alright? The only thing that can make you afraid now is what you are going to deal in this video, for you to know what you are going to face and what you are going to do. As far as you know the right thing to do, what is bad for you and what is good for you, then you are good to go. Do you understand? So now in this video I'm going to highlight everything for you. In order not to make this video long, I have a lot to say, but I will say them on my channel and my WhatsApp group. So let's get to the screen of my laptop now, so I'll show you what I'm saying. I will show you keyboard shortcuts also, and what you might do that will get you into trouble. And also please, I need you to take a trip on the channel. Just look at the channel. There are videos, helpful videos like this on the channel, so you should subscribe to the channel. It's going to help you. Thank you. So welcome to the screen. So when you come, you don't need to touch anything. It will be logged in for you. This is what you will see, something like this. I'm using a Jamb practice app. So you'll be required to enter your registration number for you to continue. So when you enter your registration number, you press login. So when you press login, you'll be given some instructions which you are expected to read them carefully, because the time for your exam has not started counting. So you can waste as much time as you want to waste here. Read the instruction and make sure you know what you are going to do, then press the continue. Here now, you will be given the basic information about yourself. You have to check here whether it's your name that is showing here and it's your matric number and it's the subject you registered. If it's not the subject you registered, don't continue, call for help immediately. But this is the subject, so you continue. When you come here, you check for your passport. If you are not the person you are seeing here, call for help immediately. If it's not you that you see there, call for help immediately. Then one thing I want you to be mindful again is the time. So the time is 1 hour 59 minutes. That is like it's 2 hours that started counting. So now all your information are here. That you see exam status. I don't know what they're saying there, but you see your candidate's name, your registration number. Then you have to answer 180 questions. Then you have your subject combination here. Confirm if your subject combination is not correct. Call any of the invigilator for help immediately. Then you have 180 questions to answer. So now, if you take a look at this, I started with English. So in this English, you see that I have 60 questions to answer in this English. So your questions like this, you are expected to read the passage. So you read the passage immediately, then you answer. You can actually switch if you don't know anything. You enter now. I entered biology because on normal day I prefer biology. You see, the modern humans belong to species Homo sapien. So I selected the correct answer number C. Then I press next question. So you don't have time to waste on any question. So this one now, this is the following are types of variation except that we have discontinuous variation, continuous variation, we have environmental variation, and I think I don't know, sha, but I think it should be morphological. So you have to just take the D, the one you know is the right answer. Then next question. Do you understand? So you don't need to waste any time at all because you don't have time to waste. You have 40 questions to answer from biology. So now that is to show you that the ratio is English is the highest. You understand? You answer 60 questions from English, biology is 40. So now here now answer the question, then I'm expected to press the next question. Now in case I don't know this number two and I want to skip, I can still skip. Do you understand? So now a plant which grows on another plant a without an apparent, I think that is what I'm saying, arm to the host plant is called, it's not saprophyte, so I think it's epiphyte because parasite has effects on the host plant and I don't think it's predator. So I think it should be that epiphyte. Yes, it should be epiphyte. So when you confirm like this, you select the right option. No, now before you think this is the normal thing that you know, I still have some things I'm going to show you in the front, like your keyboard shortcuts and some other things in this video. So I'll show you the keyboard shortcuts and some other basic information also. So now I next the question after answering this question, and you see in reptiles and birds the yolk sac has a function associated with, but actually the yolk sac for reptiles I know is associated with storing of nutrients. So I think it should be that nutrition, but actually I'm not tutoring you guys here because I'm just all I'm just giving you is to do the knowledge of the basic app. For the tutorials and everything is on my WhatsApp channel and my WhatsApp group, which I have dropped the link in the description. You can join to get yourself prepared before you go for it. So I think it's nutrition. You select it, then you press next question. Do you understand? So just in case you don't know number three, you can skip to number seven. You understand? If there is number seven, you can even go to number 40 and answer. As far as that is what you know, you still come back and do the ones you don't know. Do you understand now? Now I can leave this biology and go to physics, and this biology will still wait for me. You can answer anyone you want to answer. Answer all of them. Just make sure you answer the four subjects before you can come and submit. You can switch between them as far as you still have time. Look at the time at 1 hour 54 minutes. Do you understand? Now there is a differentiation between the question I've answered and the one I've not answered. Now I've gone back to English. I can go to biology. You can switch in between. You can see the ones I've answered is green. The ones I've not answered is white. Do you understand? So that is the difference for you to know that you've not answered this question. No. So you just take a proper look, then you come back again and do it. Do you understand? You come back again and do it. Before I show you the keyboard shortcuts, because actually, do you know one why the keyboard shortcut is important? Because moving your mouse is actually time wasting. I don't know if you've noticed it. I use computer every day. So I know that keyboard shortcuts are faster in case you want to look at it. Let's use the case of copy and paste as an example. You want to copy any basic file and you want to paste it. It's very advisable to use Ctrl C and Ctrl V than to just be copying, cut, then you paste again, or copy, you paste. You understand? That is just the basic idea why you need to know the keyboard shortcuts in order to not waste your time. You don't have all day doing this exam. You understand? And you need to save. You need to utilize as much time as you can. You understand? So you make proper use of your time, just so that the mouse movement should not take all your time, because it doesn't have all the word. Now let me show you. This is my laptop keyboard. Forget the rough this thing and the things you see. It's just to educate you. Now if I want to answer this question, I will press A, as you see me do there. I press A and you see A is selected. That is Homo erectus. That is not the answer. Oh. I'm just using it for example. And you see, if I want to next, I press this key. You understand? And it will next. If I want to go back, I press the other one that faces that side. When I was doing this video, I was very mindful not to make the video long. That is why I did not exercise every of the. But with this basic knowledge, you should know that the other one is for you to go back, while this one is for you to next. Do you understand? That is the basic concept of this whole thing. So if you want to select B now, you press B. And if you want to next, you see that key I press to next. That is where you press it to next. I think you can from now judge that this is faster than moving your mouse. Right? This is the reason why you need to know your keyboard shortcut. If you want to change it to C, you press D. If you want to change to D, you press D. There are some keyboards that when you press N, it will next for you. Do you understand? So but me, I like using this one I showed to you. This is the confirm one that I know. So that is the whole thing about keyboard shortcuts. So now, just as I said before, let me go to my English and let me show you some things. Now you see that this whole question is white. That is to show me that I've not answered any question here. Oh. Let's go to biology. You can see I've answered 4 questions in this biology. Forget the wrong answers there. I just selected it, right? Let's go to physics. You see I've not answered any question in physics. If I've answered anyone, you will see green. So you don't know, neglect this. Let me answer one and you see the green has showed already. So that is it. If you see this green, don't think you've done everything. If you see this white, don't think you've done everything and you go and submit. No, you understand? So make sure you do everything. You have your green, then you can press stop exam.